Hello everyone and welcome back. In today's video I'm walking you through how to turn off Google Ads auto applied recommendation. The first thing you need to do is to access the recommendations page. So in your Google Ads account, click on the campaigns icon, then click on recommendations in the left hand menu. Once it is there, at the top right corner of the recommendations page, click auto apply. This will open up the auto apply recommendation settings. And the next thing you have to do is to uncheck all the boxes under both the maintain your ads and grow your business sections. Next, click on save to apply your changes. You return to the recommendations page. You should no longer see any recommendations applied automatically. It's as simple as that. While autoplay is disabled, you can still review and manually apply recommendations that you find valuable. You can even re-enable autoplay for specific recommendations or categories at any time if it is needed. By following these steps, you can effectively disable auto-applied recommendations in your Google Ads account and maintain full control over the changes made to your campaign. I hope this comprehensive guide helps you. Do not forget to like and subscribe to this channel for more. Thanks for watching.